Ano kami? 34. Ito yung card. Oh, yung card. Yeah.
It's lobby.
Pinakamataas kami, 34th floor.
No.
Ang aga namin dumating dito, 12 o'clock.
Oh my God. Oh my
Tapos,
God.
ang sabi sa amin is, oh, grabe ang taas nito.
Ah.
Ang sabi sa amin is, ano sabi nito? Ang sabi sakit sa tenga. Ang sabi sa amin is, wala pa daw, 22 pa lang. Kita pa. Ang sakit sa tenga. Ang sabi sa amin, wala pa daw available. Kasi 3 p.m. pa yung check-in, early check-in. Sabi ko baka pwede mag-early check-in kami.
Oh my gosh.
Sabi nila, hindi pa daw available yung room. Wait. 34. Eh, dito. 03. Ito. 3404.
I'm so scared. I'll close my eyes. I'm closing my eyes. I do not see.
No surprise.
Ano naman ako makakapasok?
Room 2.
Open na.
Open.
Push.
No. I forgot to take off my shorts.
Oh.
Wait, there's another bedroom. The bedroom. Let's go.
One dito yung mga shoes, guys. Leave your shoes here.
Right here.
Ang laki.
Inside.
Then it's so. Show me the bedroom.
What?
Something's there.
O, lagay mo rin yung shoes ko, kuya. Yan. Pagpasok mo, kanan, toilet. Wow, laki ng toilet. Pwede kang mag-dance-dance. Ay, kanugnog siya ng... Oh, yan natin, luggage natin. Yan, tapos ito yung...
Thank you.
Dapat sea view.
Coffee.
Sabi ko sea view.
Oh my God. Where's the aircon?
Ayan.
I thought they were sea view.
Yeah, sea view.
Oh,
See?
shoot, it is. Oh my God, there's a light. That's Singapore.
Well, yeah, on the other side.
So you went there, there,
Do you see the immigration?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, kita dito yung
There.
immigration.
and there. It's so high before. Oh my God. Where's the aircon? Oh my God, I see a truck. Where's it? I see a truck.
And here's
Okay.
the bedroom.
Look who came. There's another one. Look who came after. There's another door. You can enter it. Yeah, look. There's you can enter here.
Yeah, it's
You
the
can enter
bedroom.
outside.
Laki.
Oh my God. Wait, is that our? Is that our hotel?
O, picture muna tayo bago ano. So, ano siya, one bedroom, parang condo style. Gawa ako ng ano, maayos na.
Look, they got coffee. Cold. I'm taking off my socks. Okay, carpet. Looks nice. And then the floor.
Wait,
And that.
ano to?
Feels nice.
Parang naka-on na ba aircon?
Yeah, in the bed too. In the bed. In the bed.
Lagay mo.
Kasi yung kama natin, lagyan natin yung kama.
Ay, hindi siya rain shower. Ito na rin yung shower.
Lagyan yung kama. Sayang yung space eh. Ano eh?
Ganda ng ano.
No way.
Pwede ka mag-exercise dito. Ako lagay dito.
No way. Look.
Bakit di ayaw gumaana ng ilaw?
This is supposed to fight. This is so great. I love it. This one in the outer
Paano mo ino?
stick up. Who is that? Who's
Ano
this?
to?
Yeah.
Wala.
What? What is this?
Okay, good. Maybe day.
Yeah, touch
The
it.
toilet.
I'm already gonna go in there.
Pero medyo madumi yung ano, madumi yung basurahan.
It feels nice if you put your feet in the sofa. Sofa. Watch.
Okay, there's a ref here.
Nice.
Pwede tayong bumili ng mga refreshments. Pero, walang laman. And there's the breaker.
It's so epic. It's like we can introduce
Para siyang mini condo, actually.
yeah, you can
Oh, meron siyang glasses there.
so this is perfect.
Ano to?
This is perfect. This is perfect.
Oh, wala lang.
Oh, yeah, this is
And then,
perfect.
meron siyang sink with the dirty sponge. Ang dumi nung sponge.
Oh, yeah, right?
Ayan. Meron induction cooker. Meron siyang microwave. And this one is cutlery. Pwede ka magluto and all.
Wow, that's really big
This
spoon.
is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Bakit may internet ako, Daddy?
You're connected to your flip phone.
And yeah, there's
Oh my God.
utensils here. And heater.
Is this like a door?
There's a
No,
complimentary
this is not a secret.
complimentary water.
Water.
This is a mirror.
White sugar.
And here is a big size mirror. Yan. And
When we go, when we
meron dyan
when we're leaving this
TV.
hotel,
For 4 days only.
And here's the master's bedroom.
Well, it's not really masters because this.
Daddy,
Yeah. Ano to? What's this? Ah, the
there's a
light.
color over here. There's a color.
What's this?
Ang init.
It's already at 20. Chill out.
Wait lang.
It's already at 20. Chill out.
Room 28 degree.
Yeah.
Also how?
Daddy changed the time.
28 ang init.
No, 25. In
Tapos meron din siyang
TV.
TV here. And then
So hot.
there.
Outside.
What's in here?
And it's overlooking.
What is inside?
So that side is the Singapore
You gotta go.
and this side is the Malaysia. So kitang-kita dito yung immigration. Where's the immigration? Basta yan yung dinadaanan from
It's another. It's
um,
the other.
Malaysia to Singapore. There. Pupuntang. Ang duwag na eh. Kanina ang sikip. Pero ngayon okay na.
They mostly have the same things as Carlton.
Yeah. Pero mas okay.
Look at this.
Oh my God! They have a picture. They have a photo and a picture or
Yeah.
something.
Laki ng picture there. Pero sarado natin kasi ang init. Then meron dyan remote. And then there. Dalawang bedside table. 1 king size bed.
They have a ladder.
And let's turn off the lights. Ayan. May pangas na yung side table.
Open it.
Walang
There's-
laman.
There's empty.
How do you turn on?
Ah,
The lamp switch doesn't work.
Good turn.
it's turn.
Turn.
Yeah. And then this is the big closet.
There's an iron there.
There's
and
an
a sink.
iron
Here's
Feels
it.
nice.
and a safe. Ano to?
Hair styler.
Oh my God.
Microphone.
Yeah, look.
And then they have and in case we don't in case
Oh, may ano.
the bathtub isn't enough.
Yeah,
Yeah,
may
that.
isang.
We
Kaya
have
ako naman.
two baths.
Alright.
Bedroom slippers.
Whoa.
What's this for?
And then we need to go to...
There's another one.
Kuha mo kang bedroom slipper. Open mo yung isa. And that's it.
Oh my God. It's really
Nakapag-vlog ka naman pag nagkamangin dyan po.
Punta kami dito at magbabayad na kami ng buffet kasi hindi pa kasama sa buffet namin.
Look.
So, it's ano na. Nagpunta kami ng ano kanina. Ano oras na ba? Alas 6 na. Nagpunta kami kanina sa may City Square. Ano lang dito, 5 minutes away. Kapag, hindi, ano, kasi umiikot from JP Customs, City Square, umiikot pa siya, walang diretsong way kapag papunta dito sa may hotel. Pero ano, mura lang naman yung Grab, 6 ringgit lang. So mga parang $2 something. Hindi, wala pa nga $2 City Square. Pumunta kami kanina dun sa City Square kasi nag-lunch kami pagdating dito. Ayun, di ko yata na-explain kanina ng maayos nung nag-vlog ako. Nung nag-check-in kami, alas 12. Hindi pa daw available. Ang check-in kasi is 2 p.m. Hindi pa daw available yung rooms kasi masyado kaming maaga. Tapos sabi ko, sige, hintay na lang kami. Baka mga 3 p.m. pa daw. Tapos sabi ko, hala patay. Sabi ko, sige, punta na lang muna tayo sa sa may mall. Tapos iniwan na lang muna namin sana yung luggage namin. Tapos, maya-maya, siguro nag-toilet lang kami. May may room na. So, 12 o'clock, mga past 12, nakapasok na kami dito sa hotel room namin. After siguro mga past 1, nagpunta na kami sa mall. Yung nag-grab nga kami, $6 lang. Ay, 6 ringgit. Tapos, nung na kami doon, nagpunta lang kami sa may sushi house. Doon lang kami kumain. Hindi ko na nga na-vlog kasi I'm not feeling okay kanina. As in, parang lutang ako. Ang sama ng pakiramdam ko kasi hindi ko yata nabanggit na I slept 4 a.m. na kaninang madaling araw. Kaya, ang sama ng pakiramdam ko. Tapos, si Lance pa, napupup. Nung pagkatapos namin kumain, sabi niya, Mami, let's go back kasi magpupup nga siya. Wala kami, hindi siya naka-diaper, tsaka hindi mo yan mapapapup kung saan-saan. Kaya ang nangyari, bumili lang ako ng Jayco. Ayun, may Jayco kami. Bumili lang ako ng Jayco. Tapos punta kaming Watsons, bumili ako ng makeup remover. Ayan, kasi nakalimutan ko yung makeup remover ko. Naka-ano kasi ako naka-mascara ko. Anak, ano ka? Yan, magkano lang to? Ang mura lang nito. Ang mura lang nung dito may bili makeup remover, 18 ringgit. So, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, $6. Mga ganon. For this one, $6 siya. Tapos, asan yung cotton? Bumili rin ako ng cotton, itong cotton. 6 ringgit. So, mga $2. Ayan, para pang tanggal ng makeup. Tapos, try ko tong press powder ng Silky Girl. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong kung anong shade. Basta SPF 20, oil-free, fragrance-free, formulated for Asian skin. Hindi ko alam kung anong shade Basta kinuha ko na lang kasi ang mura lang niya. It's only 12 ringgit. Mas mahal pa to. Ito 18 ringgit Mas mahal pa siya. So, sabi ko kailangan ko talaga ng press powder kasi yung nung nakaraan bumili ako, mali ata yung nakuha ko. Kaya ayun. Tapos bumili lang kami ng Jayco. Naghahanap kami ng cake para sana kay Bulang lang. Kaso wala kaming makitang cake na maganda. May chatterese, nakalimutan ko na. Basta yung bakery, wala silang cake na bilog. So parang, bala kong magpunta kami ng Mid-Valley ngayon, dun kami mag-dinner, tapos bibilan ko siya ng cake, tapos babalik kami dito to have some dip in the pool bago kami matulog mamaya. So, ayun, tingnan nga natin tong silky. Ay, ito pala yung shade niya, natural. Sana, sa akin. Kasi, ayan, nag-ano ako ulit ngayon, nagpipil ako nagdo-Dr. Alvin kasi ako. Ayan. Nagbabalat yung mukha ko kaya hindi ako pwedeng maligo ng mainit. Ayan. And sobrang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko kanina. Nung pagbalik namin dito, pinilit kong matulog. Siguro, ayan, sige. Pinilit kong matulog, anak, bumaliktad ka naman dyan. Pinilit kong matulog talaga, pero wala. Siguro nakatulog ako mga 2 minutes pa lang. May naririnig akong nagdadasal na, kumakantang dasal, parang ganun, na dinig sa kwarto. Kaya wala na, nagising na ako. Wala na, hindi na ako hindi na ako natulog ulit. Rinig na rinig yung Nung nagpa-book ako, through Agoda ako nag-book kasi, nag-request ako ng mattress, tapos hindi ko alam kung may kasamang breakfast, parang hindi ko na nakita kasi yung pinakang second to the, kasi may isa pang mas mataas dito. So, before yung pinakamataas, ito na yung room namin. Kaya kinuha ko na. Ngayon, ang problema, wala pala tong kasamang breakfast buffet. So, nung chinek ko kung magkano ipapa-additional kami ng breakfast buffet is, pag adult is 58 ringgit. Ang 58 ringgit and then sa mga bata, 5 years old above, is 28 ringgit. So, nung kinonvert ko siya sa SGD, ang adult is 18 and then yung mga bata is $8. So parang sabi ko, ang mahal naman. Tapos 3 nights kasi kami dito. So from today Thursday hanggang 22 sa Sunday. 3 nights kami. So kinompute ko, mga nasa 100 plus din kung i-avail ko yung buffet breakfast, and parang lugi kami kay Lance kasi si Lance pag umaga hindi masyado talaga kumakain. So we'll see. Pero itatry namin one of these days itatry namin yung breakfast buffet. Isang beses lang. Kasi ang mahal. Tapos yung extra mattress, isa pa yon. Ang mahal ng renta. Parang 100 plus ringgit isang gabi. So, umabot siya ng 400 ringgit. Tapos, nung kinonvert ko, syempre, ko-convert, 130 something yung for 3 nights, yung SGD, yung nung renta nung bed. Sabi ni William, ay nakuwag na. Since may ganito naman, ipapasok na lang namin yung isang ganito para doon matutulog si Liam. And ang laki naman ng kwarto. So, may space pa to. Malaki. Tsaka siya, comfortable naman. So, feeling ko okay naman si Liam dito. Ayan, sige, lagot kayo. Lang ako, magre-refresh, lang kami. Nagmerienda na ako ng J ko. Kasi, pati yung pagkain pala, hindi ako masyadong nakakakain ng ayos. So, yan, ang payat-payat ko na naman. Okay, ito na yung in-order namin sa Baskin Robbins na cake.
This is so nice.
Ito yung nakita ko lang na medyo mura-mura na mura no?
This is my
Grabe, 130 ringgit to sa mga $30 din.
Wow.
30, 45. So, $40 din siya. Mahal din. Tapos, ang social nung lagayan niya, yung naka-box siya na ganyan.
Then
Ayan.
wrapped with
Tapos may
Baskin Robbins.
anak no!
Okay. You never find
Ayan,
it
cute.
anywhere.
Ang cute ng cake nilang lang.
It's like oranges.
Yeah.
It's like butterfly wings. Candle.
So,
Blow
it's,
the
ano na,
candle.
Wait, kuya.
anak, magmalikod ako matamaan mo. It's 11:24. Yeah. 11:24 na and we're ready to sleep. Nang maalala namin, hindi pa pala kami happy birthday. Nagbo-blow. Okay, blow. Mamaya na.
Oh! Connect
Ang galing. May kasamang posporo yung may kasamang posporo yung
Much?
Oh, ano mo muna
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow, blow, blow.
Blow na, blow, blow, blow. Yay!
We can't eat it.
Yeah, tomorrow na, anak.
Yeah. Everybody, Lance will slice the cake now. Here's a good look of the cake. Okay, let's go. Cut the cake, cut the cake.
Okay.
Other side.
What's that?
Baliktad na. Mami, baliktad.
May parang
Hard.
chocolate ice cream. Ay, nilagyan na ng
Ating.
Oh no.
Oh no,
Oh,
it's
no.
stuck. It's stuck.
Oh, sarap naman.
Oh my.
Oh, what? Ice cream?
Told you. It's so big.
Ice cream.
Can I taste? Oh, yeah. Allah, that's gonna result in minus $100 in our bank account.
Ice cream pala.
Mami, can I end the video na? Okay, gamers. Peace.